Hello everybody, my name is Vaughn and today I'm here to give you guys a pre-introduction on the Blender and Unreal Engine 5 course. So as I said before, I'm Vaughn and I'm the Technology Director for Student Express. I want to give everyone foundational and essential knowledge to use Blender and Unreal Engine 5. I also edit the videos for Student Express. I'm also enrolled at James Madison University in Virginia, and I'm studying computer science. So my experience with both Unreal and Blender is that I was learning about them both on and off for many years, and I really hunkered down on really trying to use them over this last year or so. I made two games. One of them wasn't in Unreal Engine 5. The one that you see on the top, the GIF that's playing right now, that is made in Unreal Engine 5, and I'm also currently developing another game in Unreal Engine 5. I've made tons of 3D models in Blender. I am very, very comfortable with using Blender. As you see the bottom photo there, I modeled all that by hand. So for those that only want to learn about Blender through my courses, we're only going to be going through the 3D modeling aspect. We're not going to be going Grease Pencil, which is their 2D animation. We're not going to be going into texturing or compositing or any of that stuff, really. We'll do stuff with the shading if need be, or geometry nodes if need be, but we'll mostly just be sticking to the hard 3D modeling portion of Blender. For those who are just here to learn Unreal Engine 5, we'll be learning everything from the ground up. I'll also be learning alongside you guys as well, because I'm a little bit less experienced in Unreal Engine 5 than I am in Blender. So first we'll be learning about the variable types like a boolean, floats, integers, stuff like that. That's very simple concepts. We'll also be using in like animations inside of Unreal Engine and much more. I'll be releasing a video on both Unreal Engine and Blender this Halloween, so I hope you guys will check that out as soon as they release. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Remember to like and subscribe to Student Express, and I really do hope that you guys check out the videos that I make on Halloween. Thank you.